Hello everyone, I'm going over how you can host a Discord server, and this is a new way. It's 100% free, and now there is an issue that I will get to when you're doing this, but for now let's just go ahead and sign in. So you want to go to this website, daki.cc, hit sign in. You'll then see this page. You'll hit login. The Discord button will take you to Discord. The panel we will have to go to whenever we actually create it. So first of all, log in with Discord. And then authorize and log in. So here it is. And now what we want to do is just create a server. A name. So I'm gonna put my bot. Resources, you want to actually go ahead and use these defaults: 1024, 512, 50%. So let me do that. Resources. So RAM was 512. This was 50. Disk, that was the same. And location, this will be the location of where your server will be. You want to select it. Now there will be an issue whenever all the free nodes are gone from this won't show up. It will show no free nodes, which means all you have to do is join that Discord server by hitting the button, and you would look at the news channel, which let me show you right now. Alright, so we're here, and what we want to show is whenever you go to this server, you want to go into news, and you will want to, first of all, if there's a purge scheduled, I'll go over that later, but this means free nodes will come up. And as you can see, he also said that free nodes will be open again, which is why I'm doing this now, to get it out of the way. So yes, so free nodes are open, and the purge will be scheduled. This purge was scheduled and completed yesterday, but I'll go over this later. So let's go back to the website. Alright, so now that we're here, we're at location. We go to software. This, if you're using discord.py, you would go there. I'm using JavaScript, so I'll be doing discord.js, but yes, I will work either way. And now you need to go to create, and it will make your server. So now that you have that, if we go to the dashboard, here it is. Everything's here. Now it's not running, as you can see, but you can edit it if you want to edit any of that. But yeah. Now we have to go to the panel. So if we go here, we're going to need this information, and what we'll have to do is go to this panel button. Now I'm probably gonna actually right click and open another tab. But anyway, go to this panel. It'll tell us to log in, right? So you can do it with a username or email. I'll be doing it with the username. And whenever you do this, fuck. Oh my god, it's so dark. But yeah. So now I will have my username blocked, like you won't be able to see it. So yeah, I'm gonna make it blurry here for both my stuff. But yeah, so generate password. I'll also blur. Well, the password doesn't really matter, but you would copy and paste all this into here. Why is that so dark? So yeah, anyways, once we do that, you would have to just hit the login button. Never. And then here's my server. So if I click this, here it is. Server marked as offline, of course. So now what we have to do is we need to actually upload our files. So here's our files, and I haven't played too much with it, but I want to see if I upload and I go to this. Can I open that? No. I think I have to actually upload each individual file. Oh man, that's gonna suck. This directory will be created as no thanks. Okay. So I guess I can go into here. I guess you have to actually open every single one of these. Oh man, okay, so give me a moment to do this. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so I went through and added everything for my bot. I had to actually manually do it. As you can see, it took me about 10 minutes. But yeah, that's fine. I think yeah, about 12 minutes. Oops. Anyway, but yeah, so this is my whole bot and everything's in here. But anyway, so now we have that, and we want to go to startup actually. We can go to startup. Here's a startup command, docker start command 2. So first command used to start the server, npm install. This installs all your packages if it needs any, and then the second startup is node dot, which actually runs the server. So yeah. So startup command 1, startup command. So we want to do this /start.sh. Type here. Oh. Start. I hope this works. Oh, here he goes. Start.sh, and then it will start running. Oh boy. Yeah, you have to give it a bit to download or install fucking everything. Everything that it needs. It's like all the packages and whatever. Oh, okay. It got it? Oh shit. Oh fuck. What's that? Okay. Okay, so it didn't stop. Holy shit. Okay, so let's see here. New major version available. Run install npm 9.4. Right. I don't know why it's running on 8.9, but events have been loaded. Database. So it was working. All right. So I figured out the issue, and it's because of this. When we're reading this, this is what it's trying to get, and this is not what you want to do. Right? I don't know why I did this. I think it was because it wasn't working. But anyways, what we'll do is we'll actually get the exact path for this, because I don't understand everywhere else when you do the relative path it works, except for this, and it doesn't make sense to me. It never did. It never made sense. I don't know what's up with it, but it just never makes sense. So that's what. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can copy this whole path. So what we want is files, src, static items. Right, we want this whole path right here. So let's just copy this. Go back to files, src, utility items. Go into here and do that. What the fuck? Okay, fix it because it's being stupid. Fuck. Okay, there we go. Now we gotta do this again. Fucking hell. Copy that. Paste it here. Put slash. That should work. Let's get in the exact path. One way to find out. Save contents. Alright. Now, go back here. Let's run it. Alright, so let's see here. Events have loaded. Database items connecting to the database. All item files have been loaded. Alright. Anyway, as you can see, it logged in and it's running. It's completely running. It's all fine. And now let's go to Discord and see if it's up. Alright, here we are in Discord. I have Virtual Studio closed. My bot is still running, as you can see. Now, let's see how well the commands work. So first of all, let's see how this works. So it works, and if we hit this, changes, look at that. That works, okay. And we don't get any errors. Good shit. Now, another thing. Let's go to professions. That should work. Yep, blacksmith. Cool. So we should have mining. No, we don't. We don't have that. Inventory? Why not? Materials. Fuck you. Alright. Smelt. Item or convert smelt. The item we want is copper, so copper ore with a count 10. That'll do all of it. So we'll do that. Wait a bit. There we go, using 10 coal. And now if we go into our inventory, go into materials, 70 coal, yep. Copper ore should be gone because we used all 50 and we got 39. As you can see, it works. My bot works. Bot is now hosted up 24/7, and now there's one thing I want to go over, and that is when we go into here and we go up here. So you want to join the server so you can get this schedule, and it says only free users are affected by this. So this is how they open up new nodes for people. We schedule this process, which helps us check what servers are still being used and which servers are not, because you might have a bot that's posted 24/7 but no one uses it, you forgot about it, you probably don't even want to use it, and you just didn't get around to removing it. This will automatically do that. This way we can keep the nodes clear for people who actually use our host. So it's so that they don't get a lot of dead bots that has no activity. The owners don't care about or forgot about even the hosting, and yeah. So you want to check this, and what you have to do is, the only thing you have to do is to not get your server removed is to add the keyword, which is this word that you will need. It will be different every time. Almost, I don't want to say every time, but yeah. You have to take that keyword and put it in your server name. It doesn't matter where, it only needs to be somewhere in the name. This way your server will not be removed with the dead servers. If you don't know how to change the server name, just follow the steps below in the video. I'm gonna do that for you right now with the word quack. So let's go back to the website. Alright, so we're back at the website. Here's our bot, and all that we got to do now is go into here. So my servers. So whenever you go to this page, your portal, you'll go into you'll go into your bot. Mine is Elden MMO. You'll then go up here. You'll want to go to settings. Here's your server name. All you have to do is add quack or the keyword. Whatever the keyword is, you want to put it in there. So since it's quack, I can put it here. I can put it here. I can even put it in the middle of my bot server name. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. No. Oh. Anyway, quack. Yeah, you can put it anywhere. As long as it's there, you just put quack and then you save it. Since I'm not, I would just hit save, and there you go. I'm glad I'm able to make this video. I never really asked this, but subscribe at least. That would be nice. And yeah, so goodbye.